Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can set your profile on Webflow to public or to private. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so navigate to Webflow. Let me just navigate back to the dashboard. If you're in the website builder, to do that, click into these three lines on the top left, select dashboard. Now, in your account dashboard, what you want to do is click into your account settings in the top right. And here, just above account settings, you will see create your profile. So if you haven't done that yet, if you don't have any profile, you can create it by clicking into this button. And here guys, what you want to do is go through these settings here. Here you will see your sites. So if you'd like to make your profile public, click into this button here, or alternately, you may click into this get started button here as well. This is going to redirect you to that general settings of your profile. You may assign a name here, upload an image or avatar, and then scroll down. And here at the very bottom, you will see your public or private profile status. So to change the status from private to public, because private is the default status, switch it on here and click into create profile there. However, guys, before you can do that, you will need to enter all these fields that have been marked with an icon like this here. So I'm going to skip this, and just in that case I would simply click into create profile here. Or if you'd like to switch back to private and keep your profile private, switch it off here, and that is going to change the status. So guys, that's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.